Please keep in mind this class was produced during the year 2021. As a result, most examples are from the early 2000s to 2021. However, the knowledge can be generally applicable to the study of other time periods further in the past or later in the future. So the examples will grow old over time, but the usefulness of their lessons will remain constantly applicable. The main focus will be on stock charts of American stocks, because a large portion of global finance is still US-based or connected. Though similar to how knowledge can be generally applicable to other time periods further in the past or later in the future, concepts in this class can transfer to other charts. These could be stock charts from markets outside the United States or other markets outside the stock market. That is why there will also be a good number of examples of Forex, commodity futures, and cryptocurrency charts. Also, like other forms of analysis, chart patterns are often more practically used with charts from the stock market that have high volume, or charts of major currencies and commodities. Before beginning the case studies, there will be a discussion of conceptual diagrams that outline common and effective chart patterns. This will be a good warm-up that will be a refresher for the more experienced, and a good introduction for early starters of technical analysis. Then the main event with the over 100 case studies will demonstrate how chart patterns and the features that comprise them can influence price movement. It will include cases of identifying patterns that have already formed, as well as cases where analysis is done to determine whether a pattern is forming, and how certain developments on charts can be analyzed with greater effectiveness. There will also be cases highlighting successful and unsuccessful analysis of chart patterns, along with mistakes that can be made in common situations and rarer events. It will indeed be an extensive series of exercises that can enhance analysis with chart patterns. It may even be slightly repetitive at times, and that can be good as it can reinforce key ideas, and more importantly, reveal core characteristics about chart patterns. The reality in the market is common chart patterns repeatedly appearing. This class is certainly for people looking to develop and train their charting skills, with lots of pattern practice. After all those examples of chart analysis, there will be an important concluding discussion that will recap key lessons and try to answer the somewhat elusive question of why chart patterns work and don't work.